Oh boy, been doing a lot of work to this bike. I'm about to talk you through it. It's gonna be like a real quick update. So I haven't ridden a bike in about 3 weeks, close to 3 weeks, something like that. Also, I haven't fucking talked to myself in a helmet in about 3 weeks. I'm probably a little bit rusty, but man, this feels good. Yeah, I know I'm squidding with my hands out. I realized I didn't have them when I had the bike warming up, and I didn't feel like running back inside for them. So yeah, fuck it, whatever. Who needs hands anyway? Like I said in that community post that I made earlier, I've been doing a lot of work to the SV. A lot of like custom work, like me just kind of, you know, customizing it to how I want it to be. And then there's like stuff that I needed to keep up with the maintenance on, because I've been really shitty with the maintenance on this bike. And this bike doesn't deserve it, because it's actually a nice bike. It's not like the YZF or my Honda Rebel, where it's like, okay, being ratty is kind of the gimmick of the bike. It's like, no, this bike was in decent condition when I got it. It wasn't terrible. During spring break, when I didn't have any school or anything to worry about, you know, I just took that time to take care of everything. I'm still in the middle of taking care of everything. I really shouldn't be riding this bike right now, because you're gonna like wait for me or what, bitch? But yeah, you can see that. Well, first off, you probably, well, maybe not, but my bars are a lot higher, and this feels fantastic. It's like, yo, honestly, it feels like a fucking stunt bike, because I have the bars like, let's make a left. I have the bars like straight instead of like curved, like clip-ons. Like, you know how the clip-ons kind of come back towards you. These are like just straight up straight. So it kind of feels like a stunt bike, which is really nice, really comfortable. I feel like ultimate hooligan right now. That's what these bars are telling me. And then you can kind of see the brake lever just kind of, you know, not really quite reaching the bar. I don't have any long fingers that could reach that brake lever, but that's like one of the main things right now that kind of make this bike sketchy to ride. I have a back brake, but front brake is out of commission, because I actually, as I just said, I raised the bars. So the stock length brakes don't reach the bars at this height. So I ordered some custom new ones, and I added like 8 inches to it. Yeah, pause, whatever. I got the fork seals worked on. That's embarrassing. I got the fork seals worked on. What else did I do? I'm blanking out. Oh, I basically rebuilt the front end like entirely. Took the wheels apart, cleaned them up, got the forks worked on at a real shop. They did right by me. The forks feel better than ever, because by the time I brought them to the shop, it was like all the fucking fluid had leaked out of them. Like I was riding on basically nothing. And I changed the front tire, so the turn I just made, holy shit, that felt amazing. The back tire is still the old one. The front tire, I just put Conti Attacks on it, so you can see that. It's so sticky because it's new, it's picking up rocks. The back tire is still a shitty old fucking bullshit, but I can't change the back tire just yet, because I have to wait for my chain tool to get here, because I'm changing the front and back sprocket along with the chain. So like I'm changing everything at once, and there's no point taking the wheel off just to put the sprocket on if I'm not going to do everything at once, you know what I'm saying? I'm quite a ways from home right now, which is really sketchy with no front brake, but as you can see, I'm pretty much taking it easy. I'm just enjoying the ride. It's been a couple weeks, man. Like 3 weeks, man. It's been a long fucking time. Illustrator back on the fucking road, yeah! Also gotta take it easy on this new front tire. I wouldn't want all my work to go to waste on day 1. Well, this is day 0, because the bike is not even done yet. I also need to adjust everything. Oh! Let me get back to the sprocket. Yeah, so I'm doing a -1 plus 4. -1 up front, plus 4 in the back, which is going to give me tons more torque. I'm going to decrease my top speed by a little bit. I use the Gearing Commander website. They'll like calculate all the bullshit to let you know how it's going to change the characteristics of your bike. And so this bike topped out in first gear at 59 stock. Just to give you an idea. At stock, it was 59, and after the changes I'm gonna make, it's gonna top out at about 48. So I think it's like something like a fucking 16% difference in gearing with -1. -1 +4. It's gonna be like a 16% difference, which is gonna give me a shit ton of torque. Cause this bike is geared really fucking high, like extremely high. Its stock is like 1740. Also, if you were on this channel for a while now, then you know that this bike came with an Olin shock. I just sent that to Olin's to get it repaired. It actually just landed today in North Carolina. God, that guy looks like my brother. So that's gonna get worked on, and then that's gonna come back at some point. So really, I'm waiting on that. I'm waiting on my brake line so my fucking lever is actually reachable. I did a lot of stuff to this bike, and that's where my Instagram comes in. That's why I mentioned it on the post I made earlier, because I updated, like, I made detailed updates. I called it "Make the SV Great Again." Yeah, it's tongue-in-cheek, but yeah, it's supposed to focus on you know, everything I'm doing. It is like really highly detailed. So I got actually a spike in followers. Probably got like close to 20 followers off the post I made earlier. So thank you guys for actually coming to check me out, because I haven't been filming anything. Like I don't want to film shit in the interest of time, because I actually just want to kind of get this done instead of fucking like filming and then like working on it, filming, then editing and uploading. Like I just want to get this shit over with. So I haven't been filming anything, but I just take pictures whenever I can, just to document it on Instagram. Get into first, bitch. So like I said, if you are actually interested in like the daily progress of this build, then follow me on IG. And if you haven't already, then you can go back and just look at all the fucking posts that I made regarding everything that I've been doing. This bump is gonna hurt. You can go back and look at all the posts I made regarding all the work I've been doing, because it's probably like 9 posts at this point. I've done one every single day. Today is gonna be light because I don't really have time to work on it, nor do I have like anything that I can work on, because like I said, I have to wait for that fucking chain tool. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Everything that I forgot to mention is on Instagram. So if you're really interested in knowing what else has been done to the bike, then just head on over to Instagram, check it out. These bars definitely gonna have to stay like this though. I'm fucking liking this. This is nice. Balls were down here when I first bought the bike. Super sport with that thing. Oh fuck. Shit.